Microsoft have invented, engineered, and industrialized a revolutionary way to guide light inside flexible, hollow capillaries the size of a human hair.
What's unique about hollow core fiber is it acts like an engineered mirror system, keeping the light confined and on target at full speed with minimal resistance. So overall, it lets you scale the internet much more effectively and at lower costs.
This is a paradigm shift in all communications that use light as a data carrier.
What we created in OrganOx is a platform technology which currently can serve the liver and the kidney transplant space.
The OrganOx team has developed the world's first fully automated machine capable of keeping an organ alive and functioning outside the body.
One of the biggest challenges is to make sure you design a device that is not only engineeringly brilliant, but also can be usable by various clinicians and surgeons across the globe.
There are on the order of 5,000 patients who wouldn't have been alive today without this innovation.
Synthesia's innovation is the development of the world's first and largest AI video generation platform.
We've taken the process of creating video content from being an entirely physical process, something you do in a fully digital process.
Allowing users to generate video simply by typing text. And you can do this in over 140 different languages.
What this technology is going to do is going to make everyone in the world into a video creator.